SyVon.
It's your girl SyVon, and we are back with another
Video.
Anyways, y'all, welcome back to another video with the Bennett's. Period. We have brought you something that no one has ever tried before.
So what babies eat?
Oh, the guy.
You said, shut up.
Wouldn't you like to know?
You said no one ever tried it. So where the hell did wait?
Man, I'm playing.
You never eat them in a one. No.
I'm in character.
Oh, okay. My bad. It's fake, guys. It's fake.
So, guys, as you can see by the thumbnail and the title of this video.
Can I stop rocking?
Oh, my bad. That's because you fixed this chair. This is the chair that you did.
Yo, I knew what I fixed it then.
No.
Yo, I knew what I
It's
fixed it. Guys, everything fix it. They keep on the mind about me fix it. Keep on the ass and me fix it. If it wants to fix it, I knew that fix it then. I knew that fix it then. You know, fix the bubble. You fix the bubble? Everything make nice. Ooh, Javon did this. That's what's rocking.
Yes.
Alright, go be screwdriver and fix it back.
I'm not doing that.
Oh, tap it nice.
So we are going to be doing Jamaican husband tries American baby food. So babe, what is what is y'all baby food like? Do y'all no?
We suck finger.
Shut up. Do y'all like make your own baby food? Like, I mean, Americans, we make our own baby food too.
I'm pretty sure, yeah. I ain't gonna lie to you. I don't remember. But we got baby food. I wasn't sure.
Oh, y'all have like jarred baby food?
I don't remember. It's been years. I don't even know how you eat baby food. I don't remember at all. But shit, like, oh man, we starting chicken early,
right,
bro.
Right.
So,
exactly.
baby food is probably chicken.
And it probably is the way he be eating his chicken.
We started chicken early. But yeah, honestly, I don't remember. But I'm pretty sure, I know we got baby food for sure. I just remember.
Okay, so yeah, anyways, we have sweet carrots, strawberry and bananas, sweet potatoes, and squash. Ooh. I don't know how this is gonna taste. I don't even.
So you gonna try it too?
No, this is for you.
Just me.
This is Jamaican.
So you're not gonna try something too?
No.
Do a little tips of it. So I'm gonna try. I'm gonna video. All right, what you want first? Come.
No, I'm just playing. I'll try it. Okay, so try this one first.
First, banana and strawberries.
It
can't be bad, right?
It can't.
We eat that every day. We got banana right over there.
Exactly.
We eat strawberries every time on smoothie.
Yeah, so it should be that bad.
It smells like, it smell like butter. It can't be that bad. Right? Let's go. That is right.
Oh, he like it. He like it. Look at him. He like it.
Go gaga.
Let me see. I ain't never had baby food before. Like as an adult.
You're not cheap, but I just feel like it just like a turn. That's not too bad.
What's this smell?
You know, someone think with their mind, their brain, she think with her mouth. She.
Shut up.
Not lying.
I gotta taste it.
She got a whole blender in her mouth. She.
I'll stick to a smoothie. Here, you want to lick the rest of it off? It kind of got like a weird like aftertaste to it.
Obviously. Let me say, I chill like a smoothie.
I know that, but I'm just saying. Yeah, this one is it's alright.
It's alright. It's not too bad. It's something I maybe should eat, but I'm not eat.
I'd rather just bring up my own baby food for my baby.
You can't tell them that.
Why?
Huh? So when you stop, you can't tell them that. Why I want to eat. I don't want that.
They never gonna know what that tastes like.
Why you it taste like?
Because I'm not buying it.
Oh.
I mean, I don't knock anybody who does
that
it.
Right now. No, don't get leave me out with the devil. Because I'm not get up and say if you can't feel week, you have to make the food for last a whole week. I'm not get up, go blend up on, then take the shop bill and go in that store. We're gonna have a party trying all these.
No,
things.
you're not.
Yes, I will.
No.
What are you gonna do?
Because I know my baby gonna have like some type of reaction to it.
No, you're not gonna do it.
Yes. Baby gonna.
So you leave the Sunday, we start filming the Tuesday, you come out the Friday, we done the Thursday. Come on, time system.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Sweet potato.
Sweet potato.
Sweet potato. This look at that nasty. Nasty.
Ooh. It's watery. How much water do they put in there?
Water with it.
I know.
Enough for the baby can swallow the baby mouth.
Yeah, they be spitting half of it out anyways.
Hell no. Hell to the hell no, hell no.
What?
Baby, eat that. Don't tell me say you like it.
No.
Don't tell me say you like it.
It kind of tastes like, you know, the regular like mashed up sweet potato.
No shit, it's sweet potato. So wait, expect.
Let me finish. Y'all see how he never let me finish my sentence?
Finish.
It tastes like a sweet potato, but it's just like artificial. Is this artificial stuff? Oh no, it says nothing artificial added. It just tastes artificial to me. Like it's fake.
It says nothing artificial added.
I know, but it tastes like
But it said nothing artificial.
But what I'm saying
nothing,
is,
them not like it, but they know they put them can lie. It said far away, it said nothing artificial. So yeah, I said, but
they put too much water in there.
If they put less water, they put too much water, problem.
Sweet carrots.
This can't be better. You're breaking necks. You wanna look? Yo.
Go.
Sweet carrots. Hell no, bro. The belly hurt me, dog. The belly hurt me.
Man, you barely even ate anything.
You try it. Barely try it. That's how I believe you know, man.
Alright, let me try. Let me see what it's tasting like. It looks chunky. Oh, it smells like sweet carrots. Shut up.
Like you don't need carrots. If it smell like broccoli, carrots. A carrot it smell like a carrot from the paper. Not broccoli. A carrot. Taste it, man?
I did.
Never see it. You never taste it. You're not tripping.
That's because I spit it back in there.
No, taste it. You never taste it. You're not tripping. Taste it.
I can do that. Oh my god. That's horrible.
How the hell baby eat that, bro? Tell you one thing, if my body put some sugar in it.
You is not gonna put sugar in our child.
Don't leave now. Don't leave now with me on me alone. Anything for you shut up. Anything for you start crying.
Sugar water is fine. Well, I drank sugar water when I was growing up.
Anyways, guys, this is squash. Squash, you know, people. Squash.
I don't even eat squash like that. Oh, it looks so chunky.
Bro, my belly hurting when you. My belly hurting you guys.
Try it.
Shut up. Try more than you.
Try it.
Yeah, hurt me, dog. Call 911.
Ooh. What? Is that bad? Oh, I think I got my answer right there.
Try it.
I can. Oh, they kind of.
My belly hurt, my guys. My belly hurt me.
Oh my god.
My belly hurt me.
Yeah, have y'all ever smelled?
Try it. I stopped by time. Try it.
Cut me off.
Try it. Swallow it. No, man, you don't eat nothing.
Fuck that shit.
Man, you took a little bit. Man, you took a little bit. You been cheating, bro. No, it's fine.
How I be cheating? I still tasted it.
You took a little bit.
A little bit. You didn't take a lock?
A lock. Spell a lock.
Well, you saw a little bit. What the fuck is a little bit?
A small amount.
Well, you didn't take
What
a
is
lot.
a lock?
A lot.
What? Okay.
What you think about baby food, babe?
Trash.
Would you feed your kids that?
If it's to get them shut up.
Alright guys, so we're gonna end the video right here. Our baby food experience is 0. Zilch. We're not doing it. We're not feeding our kids that. Period, point blank. And if you try to feed my child that food, I'm gonna tie you up. I'm gonna put them all in one cup together and I'm gonna feed it to you. You feel me? But yeah, we're gonna end the video right here. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time we post a video. Hey, each time we post a video.